I'm here with Jim, and we're just finishing his project now. I'd just like to ask you, Jim, what was your thought of the overall experience?
It's really outstanding. You know, I'm a realtor out here, and I'm in a lot of houses. And I would come home, and after selling multi-million-dollar homes, and I would come to my house and I want to kick it because I had this crappy old vinyl, you know. And, you know, it's asking a cobbler to fix the shoes of their family, you know, it's like the last to do. And I said, no, I've got to take care of this. So I went and I found direct siding, and I looked at 5 companies, and I'll tell you, I've already recommended them to some of my big commercial accounts and some of my dearest friends. And I can't say enough. There's a couple of elements that go into success. People follow through on their promises. They're very straightforward, easy to get to. Work ethic is unparalleled. You know, in today's day and age in the service industry, a lot of times you just don't get that. You do get it with direct siding. The other thing is that they're on schedule. They have benchmarks, times, and they follow through. Very fair, excellent pricing, great value for your money. I would highly, highly recommend it, as I have personally already, to my commercial and residential customers.